I made a bet of £100 to my employee that I can do this question and explain it in under 2 minutes. But before I do, I'm going to tell you what your initial thoughts should be when seeing a question like this. So it's a 4-mark GCSE question. We have 2 fractions is equal to 1. What does that mean? Well, firstly, do we like fractions? Let me know in the comments. The answer should be no, unless if you're strange. We don't. So our first point of action is to get rid of the fractions. The second point of action is to notice that we have 2 x's here. If we have 2 x's as separate fractions, we should know we are going to end up with a quadratic. And that leaves us to this. The answer is not integers. We clearly have a surd and a fraction. This should make you think of the quadratic formula. So with all of that in mind, let's start the timer in 3, 2, 1. So we're going to find a common denominator between these 2 things, which is 2x minus 1, x minus 1, and cross multiply. So x minus 1 plus 6x minus 3 is equal to 1. Multiply across and simplify the left hand side, gives us 7x minus 4 equals 2x squared minus 3x plus 1. Like I said, we have quadratic, so we're going to make it equal to 0. So we've got 2x squared minus 10x plus 5 equals 0, using the quadratic formula, which is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. And because I'm confident, I'm just going to take a second to breathe, and now plug everything in. So x is equal to 10 plus or minus the square root of 100 minus 4 times 5 is 20, and times 2 is 40, over 2 times a, which is 4, leaving us with 10 plus or minus, well, we know this is going to be the square root of 60, which is 15, over 4, and divide by 2, 5 plus or minus square root of 15 over 2. You can leave your answer like this, though if you really want to, you can say p is equal to 5 and q is equal to 15. But that's it.